Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about basic English. Topic is school and study. I want to ask someone native speaker. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I am good. Thank you.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at high school.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
Do you go to school on holiday?
I don't go to school on holiday.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
How far from your home to your school?
Not far, about 100 meters.
With whom do you usually go to school?
I go to school with my friends.
How many students are at your classroom?
There are about 22 students.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have some friends at school.
What subject do you like best?
I like English best
Why do you like English?
because I want to go abroad.
Are you a clever student?
Yes, I am clever
Why do you say a clever student?
because I always
Okay.
study.
Topic is school and study. I want to ask someone native speaker. Hi, how are you? Are you a student? Where do you go to school? Do you go to school every day? Do you go to school on holiday? How do you go to school? How far from your home to your school? With whom do you usually go to school? How many students are at your classroom? Do you have many friends at school? What subject do you like best? Why do you like English? Are you a clever student? Why do you say a clever student? Okay.